Welcome to Coding Classic. 5 mind-blowing AI coding tools. Number 1 is Source AI. Source AI is an AI-powered tool that can generate code in any programming language from any human language description. Number 2 is React GTP Designer. This tool effortlessly creates React components using OpenAI's ChatGPT. Number 3 is Stable Code. Stable Code provides a distinctive approach for developers to boost efficiency by utilizing 3 different models to assist with coding. Number 4 is Spellbok. This tool is a programming assistant which simplifies coding, making it easy to understand. Finally, number 5 is Tabnine. Tabnine is an AI-powered code assistant that speeds up and streamlines software development while ensuring your code remains private, secure, and compliant. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos like this. Thank you.